Hi, today I'm introducing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So open first Photos application and then, for example, let's open our album, the camera roll. Let's hide these 3 photos. Click here to set as private. Now we should set the privacy password. You could use the 6-digit password or to use the different type. I'll use the pattern. So enter twice your password or draw the pattern. You'll see here security questions. Select one from these questions or to use your custom question. Here enter the answer. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Tap to images and videos. Click to this plus on the right down corner and select your photos. Click to set as private, so successfully set as private as your photos. To unhide them, just select them, click set as public, switch them to camera roll. They're successfully set as public, so let's go back and you will see them again in your camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.